Hare Krishna. Are you having any kind of tension? Are you having any kind of stress, anxiety, worried about something like most of us are? Are you looking for peace of mind? Looking for happiness? Then, my friends, you have come to the right place. Today, we will see from Bhagavad Gita the secret of getting peace of mind, of being fearless, of getting rid of tension. But before that, my friends, let me take you to the depths of the ocean. Ocean is a wonderful place, and there are so many life forms there. The most beautiful of these is the shark, I guess. It is the apex predator. It is the top of the food chain. The shark is afraid of nothing. Rather, everyone else is scared of the shark. But in this same ocean, there is another fish, about a foot long probably. It is called the pilot fish. And the pilot fish has two tensions in its life. The first one, how not to end up as food of some other fish in the ocean. The second one, how to get a constant supply of food. So the pilot fish does a very smart thing. It keeps swimming next to the shark. And because it keeps swimming next to the shark, and when it does so, there is no other animal, no other fish in the ocean which can go near it and eat it. So its first problem of not ending up as someone's food is taken care of. And when the shark hunts, the pilot fish also eats the remnants. The second problem of actually getting a constant supply of food is also addressed. So my friends, this is the smartness of the pilot fish, that though it is small, it is without any tension because it has established a connection with the king of the ocean, if I may call so, the shark. And this learning we can apply in our life as well. We are also like the small fish. We are always worried about someone or something. And the easiest way of getting freed from the tensions which we might face is to develop a connection with the supreme person, God, Krishna, who is the king of this universe, the king of all universes. And just like how the pilot fish becomes fearless in the association of the shark, we souls can also become fearless in the connection with Sri Krishna. And this principle has been established, has been shown in the histories throughout. People who have had a deep connection with God are fearless. The classic example is Prahlada, whom we hear about in Bhagavatam. In Bhagavatam, we see that how Prahlad is a small boy of 5 years and he is tortured by his evil father, Hiranyakashipu. But yet, Prahlada remains fearless. What is the secret of his strength? It is only his deep connection with Lord Narayana. So my friends, this is a practical technique. We cannot fight fear, tension on its own. But by developing a connection with Lord Krishna, fear, tension, worries, anxieties are pushed out of our lives. And Lord Krishna explains in 2nd chapter 66 shloka, Nasti buddhera yuktasya न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयन्तः शान्तिर् अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम्. One who is not connected with the Supreme in Krishna consciousness can have neither transcendental intelligence nor a steady mind, without which there is no possibility of peace. And how can there be any happiness without peace? So, my friends, let's benefit from this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Let us apply it in our lives and let us make our lives free of tension, free of troubles, free of anxiety, something a life of confidence, of joy, by developing this connection with Krishna. Connecting with Krishna is called yoga, and Bhagavad Gita teaches us Bhakti Yoga, which actually can make us happy. So if you like this, do consider taking a Bhagavad Gita for yourself, gift it to your friend, or sponsor a set of Bhagavad Gitas which can be given to people who cannot afford it. So your money will be used for the printing, publishing of books and for spreading this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita all over the world. So come, be part of this mission. Do check out the link below in the description. Hare Krishna.